November update patch notes. Greetings Battleground Mobile India players. Here is the preview of our upcoming update. To all the Indian players updating to the new version 1.7.0, we are providing 2 classic crate coupons. The League of Legends animation Arcane is coming to Battlegrounds Mobile India. You can enter the new theme mod Mirror World by checking the mod checkbox. The Mirror Island will be appearing only in the Mirror World mod in Erangel. Before the Mirror Island appears, you can jump from the airship and move around and loot the items just like when you are on the ground. Even if you are defeated in the Mirror Island, you can return to the ground with the items you have found. Once a round begins, an area mark appears. This area becomes a Mirror Island after a certain time and the wind barrier appears around the area. With this wind barrier, you can enter either Pill Tower Mirror Island or Zone Mirror Island, which are the backgrounds of Arcane. When you enter the Mirror Island, your character will become one of Vi, Jinx, Raze or Caitlyn. Each character uses different weapons and has unique skills. If you do not like your character, you can change your transformation with the transformation device on the Mirror Island, so find your favorite character. Avoid arcane monsters and loot Hextech chests across Mirror Island. After a certain time, the Mirror Island is closed and every player on the island drops to the ground. You can return to the ground earlier by being defeated on the Mirror Island or finishing the exploration yourself. You can find Hextech crystals across Erangel. Gather Hextech crystals and press the Hextech crystal icon below the mini-map on the right to enter the Dynahex supply shop, where you can purchase diverse items for the battle. You can exchange them with the new items that includes the Stimulant Pack, Tactical Landing Pack and more, which you can use tactically. Monsters related to Arcane will appear across Erangel, including Mirror Island. You can check their location through the map and those areas consist of new structures. Defeat the monsters in the area to get better items and more Hextech crystals. Another exciting update is that you can now give a piggyback to the knocked out teammate or enemy. While giving a piggyback, your movement speed is reduced and you cannot use weapons. Of course, you cannot ride a vehicle too. The health reducing speed of the player riding on your back is slightly reduced. Elimination or knockdown notification icon has been added to indicate the finished enemy. The survivor number indicator will be stressed out once you enter the top 10, and survivor number notification for each play zone is added. The smoke effect for the thrown smoke grenade in the air is added. If you hold a smoke grenade in your hand long enough before throwing it, the thrown smoke grenade will draw an arc with a new smoke effect. When a grenade explodes around the player, the location of the grenade is indicated. When the character is in the front of an object that can climb, the jump button is displayed as a climb button. The new option to choose the hard level in the AI battle has been added. Experience a stronger battle against the AIs. Modes loved by many players will return for a while. Play these beloved modes for a limited time. This is the end of today's update preview. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to Battlegrounds Mobile India's official channels. Winner winner chicken dinner.